This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. Let's start off by talking about education. Did you enjoy studying at school?
Yes, I enjoyed studying at school, especially in subjects that interested me, like science and literature. Learning new things and expanding my understanding of the world was exciting. I also liked being around my friends and discussing ideas together in class.
Do you think education is important for everyone?
Yes, I believe education is very important because it helps people develop critical thinking skills and knowledge that can improve their lives. Education also provides opportunities for a better future, such as finding good jobs or starting a business.
What subject did you find most challenging in school?
For me, math was the most challenging subject. I found it difficult to understand some of the concepts, especially when it came to complex topics like algebra and calculus. It required a lot of practice and focus to improve, but with time and effort, I was able to get better.
How do you think technology has changed education?
Technology has changed education a lot by making information more accessible and creating new ways to learn. With the internet, students can easily research topics and learn from videos and online courses. Technology also helps teachers connect with students, making learning more engaging and flexible.
What kind of education do you think will be most useful in the future?
I think education in technology, problem solving, and communication will be essential in the future. With the rapid growth of digital jobs, skills like coding, data analysis, and digital marketing will be valuable. At the same time, soft skills like teamwork and communication will remain important as workplaces continue to evolve.
That's the end of part one. Now we are going to move to part two. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a piece of electronic equipment you would like to own in the future. You should say what it is, what it would be used for, why you would like to own it, and how it would make your life easier or better.
A piece of electronic equipment I would like to own in the future is a high-quality digital camera. It would be a mirrorless camera with professional features, which I could use to take high-resolution photos and videos. Photography is something I enjoy, but currently, I only use my smartphone, and it doesn't capture the level of detail I'd like, especially in low-light settings or nature shots. I would mainly use the camera for personal photography, such as capturing family events, trips, or beautiful landscapes. I'd also use it to improve my photography skills and maybe start a small portfolio. I think it would be exciting to experiment with different lenses and techniques to see how they affect the final picture. I've wanted a camera like this for a while because photography allows me to capture memories in a creative way, and it's also a relaxing hobby. Having a professional camera would let me explore new aspects of photography that a phone camera can't offer, like manual settings and high-quality lenses. I'd love the control it would give me over my photos. Overall, owning a camera like this would add value to my life. It would make my photos much clearer and more professional looking, and it could even open up new opportunities if I ever decide to pursue photography as a side passion. Plus, it would allow me to capture special moments in a more meaningful and creative way.
That's the end of part two. Now we are going to move to part three. We are going to continue to talk about electronic equipment. How has technology changed the way people watch films?
Technology has completely transformed how people watch films. Nowadays, people can watch movies anytime and anywhere thanks to streaming platforms and smartphones. In the past, you had to go to a cinema or wait for a DVD release, but now, new movies are often available online soon after they're released. High-speed internet and smart TVs have also improved the quality of watching at home, so many people prefer watching from their couch.
What are some benefits and drawbacks of watching films at home?
Watching films at home is convenient because you can choose when and where to watch, pause the film, or even switch to a different one if you're not enjoying it. You also save money by avoiding cinema tickets and snacks. However, watching at home can lack the excitement and immersive experience of a theater. The sound and screen quality might not be as impressive, and it's easier to get distracted by phones or other tasks.
Do you think electronic devices have improved or harmed people's lives?
I think electronic devices have mostly improved people's lives by making information, communication, and entertainment more accessible. Devices like smartphones and laptops help us stay connected and work efficiently. However, there are some downsides, like overuse, which can lead to stress, reduced focus, or sleep problems. It's important for people to use devices wisely and find a balance so that they don't negatively impact their health or relationships.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.